Once upon a time, Princess Amara lived in the grand Kingdom of Auroria. She was loved by all for her kindness and bravery. One day, the kingdom's enchanted forest grew dark and quiet. The magical Heartstone, which gave life to the forest, had gone missing. Determined to help, Amara ventured into the forest with her talking rabbit, Clover. "We must find the Heartstone," Clover said, hopping ahead. Deep in the woods, they found a weeping fairy named Luna. A greedy troll stole the Heartstone and hid it in his cave, Luna explained. Amara wasn't afraid. She followed Luna to the troll's lair. The troll growled, "I won't give it back unless you solve my riddle." The troll's riddle was tricky. "I'm not alive, but I grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air." "What am I?" Amara smiled. "A fire," she answered confidently. The troll grumbled but handed over the glowing Heartstone. Amara returned it to the forest, and life instantly returned. Flowers bloomed, and animals danced with joy. The forest was saved, and Princess Amara was hailed as a hero. But she simply smiled and said, "Anyone can be brave when they care enough to help." And from that day on, the forest remained bright and full of magic, thanks to the brave princess and her kind heart.